Sometimes in lab you will be required to make a graph with a trend line to show the correlation between your data and some independent variable. The only option that you have for doing this in lab, besides bringing your own personal computer to lab itself, is using Google Spreadsheets on the Chromebooks provided. In this video, I will show you how to make a graph containing a trend line using a Google Spreadsheet on the Chromebooks. So let's get started. First, let's talk about how to get to a Google Spreadsheet. On the Chromebooks themselves, you can directly get to a Google Spreadsheet from the desktop. In the lower left-hand corner of the desktop, there's an Apps button. If you click that button, you will see several options, one being Google Spreadsheets. Another option that you have is to go directly to your Google Drive and open a spreadsheet that you may have already made on your own time. You can also access previously made Google Spreadsheets through your SciMail account. In the upper right-hand corner of your SciMail account, there is also the Apps button. Under the Apps button, you can go directly to your Google Drive and open a previously made Google Spreadsheet or create a new one by selecting Create on the left-hand side and then selecting Spreadsheet. Once you have all of your data organized in the spreadsheet, you are ready to make your graph. Google Spreadsheets are very similar to working with Excel, so it's a very simple process to make the graph. To start, select the data that you wish to graph. Under the Insert tab, click Chart, and then select the type of chart that you would like to make by selecting More next to Recommended Charts. Under Recommended Charts, there are several options. In this case, we want to make a scatter chart and select the scatter chart option. As you can see, we can already see the relationship that our data has to the independent variable. Once you have the chart selected, you can customize that chart by selecting the Customize tab. In the Customize tab, you can insert the chart title. You can label the axes, the horizontal and the vertical, and then you can insert the trend line. To insert the trend line, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the Customize tab. Select the type of trend line that you would like to insert. In this case, we'd like a linear trend line. And then you can show the equation for the line by selecting the equation as the label, and you can show the correlation by selecting Show R-squared. So now you can see we have a very good looking chart to insert into our spreadsheet. Once you have the chart created and you're ready to use it for your lab report, you can easily download it and attach it through Blackboard. To download the spreadsheet, go to File, select Download As, and select the type of file that you would like to download. There are several options. The easiest would likely be PDF, but you can use whatever you would like. Once you download the file, you can save it to your computer, and then you can upload it through the Upload page on Blackboard. So there you have it. This is how you make a graph with a trend line in Google Spreadsheets.